Welcome back to the JVZoo tutorial videos. In this video, we're going to be discussing split tests. So let's go over to the split test screen. This allows you to set up a split test between multiple sales pages for the same item. As we can see in the description here, it allows you to see how effective two or more sales pages are at getting visitors to buy. It will show a visitor to page A and a visitor to page B and what percentage they buy. Split test metrics for clicks and visitors are updated every 5 minutes. If you have a blank list like this, you can click Add Split Test. We give it a name, Test Split Test, and pick the product that this will be. Let's go to Graphics Booster Personal Usage License. This percent is how many percent you want of visitors to go to that page. So if we're going to test equally between two pages, you would want this to be 50%. You would then put your URL here. So we'll call this salespage1.com. And then you can add a page. We want 50% to go to salespage2. And I see I made a little typo here. Let's fix that. And then you save the split test. That's all that you have to do. If you wanted, say, 3 different pages to be tested, we could make this 33, 33, 33. I'm not quite sure how they handle the extra percent, but we could actually just make sure that that doesn't happen. And you put sales page 3 here. And after the traffic starts coming in, you'll see your visitor count, you'll see your sales count, and you'll see a conversion rate. And the best sales count and conversion rate wins. That's how you can test different sales pages with the JVZoo split test.